Hey, it's Dalton from Vision Aerial here, and today I'm going to walk you through working with our gas detection system, and more specifically the Aerial OGI and its reporting software. The Aerial OGI is an optical gas imager based on the Ventus core from Sierra Olympia. It features a mid-wave infrared sensor that can detect hydrocarbon gases such as propane and methane. This payload is ideal for inspecting wellheads, pipelines, compressor stations, tank batteries, and more with its gas enhancement mode, which allows the user to colorize and visualize gases. Also compliant with EPA regulations such as Quad A, B, and C, this payload also includes a software that will generate and seamlessly deliver reports to your LDAR software. The process from deploying the aircraft to reporting in your LDAR software has never been simpler. Now I'm going to walk you through setting up the aircraft and the payload and connecting the two. The first thing you're going to want to do is unfold your aircraft, the arms, the landing gear, and the GPS mast, and get it looking about how it does here on the table. You're also going to want to open up, or make sure it's already open, your PCS ring here and remove any caps underneath the aircraft blocking your electrical covers, like that one for our payload interface. Then you're going to grab your payload here, and there will be an arrow on the top of it that notes the direction that it inserts onto the aircraft. You're going to point that towards the center of the aircraft and then line it up with your PCS ring here. And it should just slide on and then kind of click into place at the end of its travel. Then you'll take the snap ring here on your, or the lock ring here on your PCS, and close it until it's snug. Then you're going to come over and grab your Fisher connector. There's this little detent on the bottom as well as a little white dot. You're going to line those up with the white dot on the aircraft, and the connector is keyed so it will only insert one way. And you're going to give it a nice little firm push and it'll be on. And now your payload's connected and the aircraft's ready to go. When using this system, you will need a tablet and tablet mount paired to the HearLink hotspot to view the video from this sensor. And one last thing, remember to always do a pre-flight checklist every time you do a mission. Now let's see our gas detection system in action. Today we're going to be using this propane cylinder and acrylic flow meter to simulate a propane leak. Welcome back to the office. So you've just flown a mission, you've got the data, and you're ready to generate a report. We're here to walk you through that now. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is get your payload, or rather your SD card from the payload, and you're going to put it here in your laptop. So next, you're going to want to pull up your Aerial OGI reporting tool. Step 1 allows you to specify where the file is, so you'll hit Browse and select your file. Step 2 lets you specify where the resulting file will save, so you'll hit Browse and select where you want to save it, and then you'll hit Process Video. The resulting report is then added to the folder that you specified in Step 2. Clicking on the report icon opens a detailed report containing the multiple captures as separate reports. From here, that data can be exported directly to your LDAR software. My name is Dalton from Vision Aerial, and I want to thank you for watching our how-to video with the Aerial OGI Ventus.